Hello everyone. In today's video I will show you how you can delete the search history on your TikTok account. First of all, we will check if TikTok is updated. Open the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone and find TikTok. If there is an update button, click it and wait for the latest features to be applied. After that, open TikTok. When TikTok has opened, from the bottom menu we will select the profile option. In the window of our profile, we need to find 3 lines in the upper right corner and click on them. In the list of options offered to us, we will select Settings and Privacy. In the new menu, we need to find the Activity Center option and enter it. Here, 3 options will open, of which we need the last one, Search History. We click. In this menu we can manage our searches. We will click on the Select button located in the upper right corner. After that we will select the searches we want to delete. When we have done that, the Delete button will appear in the lower right corner. We click on it. In the pop-up window, we will confirm our choice by clicking the Delete button. And that's it, now our browsing history is cleared. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe. Also watch our other videos on this topic. See you in the next tutorial.